Welcome to another update from Force 13, Australian Oceania channel for Tuesday the 7th of May 2019. Tropical cyclone outlook for the western region, updated 1400 hours on Monday by the Bureau of Meteorology. Whilst there are no significant tropical systems in the region, none are expected to develop over the next 3 days. A weak tropical low, however, lies near 6 south, 130 east, and in the Banta Sea, which is about 750 kilometres north of Darwin. There is a slight chance the low will drift south over the next couple of days to be over the far northern Timor Sea mid-week. It's unlikely to move into the region and very unlikely to move close to the Kimberley over the next 7 days. Bureau Meteorology's position for development for the next 3 days is very low. And on the screen is the current tropical cyclone formation probability guide for areas of interest. And here's the latest on 94P. It's located 9.7 degrees south, 165.2 degrees east. Maximum winds 20 knots. Minimum central pressure is 1007 millibars. The NOAA floaters sea surface temperature around 30 Celsius. And 94P is starting to look a little bit more healthier. The VORAC imagery, rainbow imagery. And what's the Joint Typhoon Warning Centre's position? They have up there in the Westpac 90 and 92W. Now we have a look at various models. And we start off with the ECMWF. GFS. GFS 500 millibars from the geopotential height and pressure. Information right hand side of the screen. The icon. And it's picking up Invest 94P. And the NAFGEM. And on the screen is another look at the GFS precipitation model. Information, bottom of the screen, and the picture continues to change. The area in dark brown. And looks like it's the west coast of the South Island of New Zealand. the upper level divergence for Australia's western region, and the divergence in two areas is up around 30 to 40 knots. The wind shear the A50 millibar vorticity, the vorticity where 93S is located hasn't really changed. Here's some tracks on Invest 94P. And 93S is located 6.4 degrees south, 128.4 degrees east, maximum winds 20 knots, and minimum central pressure remains 1007 millibars. Now we have a look at various tracks on the tropical low. Information is at the right hand side of the screen. We will continue to update the information on the tropical low 93S, 94P when possible.
You can follow Force 13's outlets, the website force13.com, our YouTube page youtube.com/Force13, on Facebook under the same name Force 13, and our Twitter handle, it's @Force13 if you wish to get in touch. You can also add Force 13 on Skype and my personal account on Discord, Fool13, at extension 9094.